Dear ladies and gentlemen, dear chairman, my name is Aman Shakenov. I'm representing Satpayev University, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Today I would like to represent the result of our studies, energy potential of mining transport at mines of Kyrgyzstan located at high altitude. Kyrgyzstan is a Central Asian country located in territory of nearly 200,000 square kilometers, 7 million population, and 45% of all glaciers in Central Asia are situated in territory of Kyrgyzstan. They are a major source of water supply in rivers, and the forecast of their condition are particular concern due to the effect of climate change. Kyrgyzstan covered 90% of their territory with mountains, has a beautiful nature, and sustainable mining is important part of future development of the country. Gold mining is one of the major industry in Kyrgyzstan. More than 55% of export is gold. 17 deposits are registered in Kyrgyzstan, more to be discovered. More than 1,000 tons of golden ore deposits, golden ore, gold is registered as a reserves. Many mines are located at altitude of 3,000 meters, and the transportation of golden ore from that mines to processing plant is of great importance for mining companies. If you look at the technologies nowadays, mining companies are focused to develop to reduce their carbon emission with trolley assist. Any mines located with 150-meter depths can be seriously considered for trolley assist application for existing big mining trucks. This technology can help mining companies to reduce CO2 emission 20 to 60%. Another promising technology which is coming, it is hybrid power packs for mining trucks, which according Rolls-Royce engineers can reduce carbon emissions for factory installed systems up to 29% for efficient recuperation of energy. For example, for downhill empty going trucks is 22%, downhill loaded trucks is 54%, which is quite impressive. Aerial ropeway, it's a technology which can be widely used for mining operation in mountain condition in Europe. This is why, because system has very small footprint on the ground and produce less noise and dust, which will be very beneficial for local ecosystems. So looking for performance of aerial ropeway in Çaratepe copper mine in Turkey, we see that specific fuel consumption is just only 0.6 liter per ton, whereas in conventional trucks, it's up to 2 liter per ton, which is 3 times more than aerial ropeways. Of course, aerial ropeway application should be individually in details considered for every individual mine, because resistance factor of the wagon movement of the whole rope is individual for every mine. Potential energy on Gero and Jamgar mine site is studied on our article described there. Please read it. These two mine sites are relatively new developed mine sites and has potential for recuperate energy because they transporting ore from up to down. So Gero mine site transporting every year 1.3 million tons golden ore to a vertical fall of 1,088 meters. So it can potentially, it has potential of 13 million megajoule of energy. So when we convert it to megawatts, is 3,800 megawatt hours per year. And Jamgar mine is potentially can be considered for recuperation 370,000 megajoules, which is 103 megawatt hours per year. Performance of diesel engine driven on-highway trucks on high altitude. We studied this application. We demonstrated in our article cycle time results for trucks with 25-ton payload for 35-kilometer distance, consuming 50 liters of fuel every trip, which make a production of 9 tons per hour. So specific fuel consumption is a 2 liter ton per kilometer, which is significantly higher than specific fuel consumption for aerial rockfill. So when we come for recuperation opportunity, we studied Stallman patent registered 10 years ago in Volt Intellectual Property Organization. It has 2 lines for winding device. Energy can come through conductor 13, which regulating energy flow. When winding device for aerial rockway transporting wagon loaded downhill, so it can opportunity to generate the electricity, which can be connected to system with clutch 5 through alternator 8, and the energy can be stored in fuel cells. And when energy needed, so conductor 13 can redirect the electrical energy through electric motor, which can do job with through winch 6 to electric winch to lift the cargo up. So fuel cells can be different configuration. In nowadays, lithium battery capacity and availability makes it feasible. It's widely used in hybrid electric trucks, in mining industry even, and in civil industry, as you know. And the recycling of lithium battery is a great meaning for sustainable resource saving initiative. So nowadays there are technology to recycle more than 90% of cobalt, for example. So the industry going in that direction. As a summary, I would like to mention that analysis of operational performance of aerial rockway and diesel dump truck showing more than 3 times more energy efficiency, and the transport path of aerial roadway more than 3 times shorter than compared with road construction for dump trucks, and the considering amount of renewable energy share in electricity generation in Kyrgyzstan, aerial roadway can be significant contribution for environment and the local ecosystems. Thank you for your attention. Дякую. We as authors are very grateful for management of Cheroi and the Jamgar mine for openness and cooperation, and for cooperation and support of Kyrgyz Mining and Metallurgical University for their support and contribution for this study. Thank you. Goodbye.